Alright, I'm out here at County Route 52, number 1 in Pelham, Alabama. Well, yeah, that's right, this is number 1. This is on CSX SNA South Subdivision. As you can see, the signal over here is replaced because a while back a truck struck the old one. Well, not really struck it, got stuck on the crossing, and then it was on the crossing and a train slammed into it and tore down the old one. So, just showing the new signal now, finally. Here it has a Western Coal and Hayes base, a Siemens gate mechanism, no emergency information mounted on it, though kind of surprisingly. I mean, without numbers in the description. I am still kind of surprised CSX has yet to mount a emergency information sign on it. Then we got some Western Coal 12 by 24 inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs. Right up there you can see the EVs. There's a close up on the LEDs, and right there you can see that's Western Coal and Hayes. No bell, of course, like the old one. And then up here we got some NEG LED gate lights on it. Other signals remain completely unchanged from what I can tell. And the only change over there at County Route number 52 is that there's a new NEG LED gate light on the signal at the bell. So yeah, just like this on the CSX SNA South Subdivision. So yeah, just a quick update here to the County Route 52 crossing in Pelham, Alabama. Over and out.